Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and I'm sitting outside on my porch in this beautiful weather, and I'm so glad that I have my Legrand receptacle out here because now I can charge my phone while I'm sitting out here enjoying my porch. Here's a closer look at the Legrand GFCI outlet. It is on our covered porch, so it shouldn't get wet, but it's comforting to have a GFCI out here. And my favorite thing about it is that, well, not only does it have the two regular plugs that you can plug right in, but it also has the two USB ports, which is so convenient nowadays where everything is just charged via USB cables. So I'm able to just charge my phone out here. The buttons are also very accessible and easy to press down, the reset and the test buttons. So if you're in the market for a receptacle with GFCI, definitely check out Legrand. They have great options, super convenient, great quality, and that's my point of view.